Okay, so our presentation was going squatching.
Squatching is a term for to squatch is the art of searching for Sasquatch.
And we picked this topic because we were sitting on one day thinking which topic we're going to choose. We already figured out we were going to do airplanes. So what's the next one? Talking about our hobbies. Morgan's like, wow, I'm going to go on an adventure later tonight. We're going to look for Sasquatch. And I was like, no way. I Sasquatch hunt also. Lydia does too. So we're like, wow, this is what we have in common.
All like Sasquatch hunting.
So hence, going squatching.
So we got together and we searched for Sasquatch as seen in this video.
Day 33 at base camp. We have fire rigging. We have calculus. We have Sasquatch hunting. What's that?
Oh, sorry guys. I was calling you Sasquatch.
Lydia, don't do that. We are on a trek through the woods to find Sasquatch. Lydia!
Lydia, stop!
What? Where'd she go?
Oh my gosh,
Lydia. All that's left is her flashlight. It's still on. It's gotta be close. It's gotta be close. It's a footprint! Eureka!
Whoa, how big is it? 16 inches. Wow, Philip, that couldn't even be you this time.
Look at all the bones!
Oh, we just lost prey.
Lydia!
Oh no.
Lydia. Oh, wait.
Where's Erica?
Who's right with us? Erica? Sasquatch! Well, maybe. Right, we're somewhere.
Finish the trap.
Alright, this is some high quality Sasquatch jerky. Kill smells from eyes. Oh, he's gonna get behind the tree next.
Day 34. Still waiting for Sasquatch. We've been in this position for nearly 24 hours. Did you hear that?
Yeah, he wasn't close.
What do you think?
Wait, I think I got him.
Pull!
Ah! I think we got him. Morgan!
Okay. You guys want some? Okay, let's get Sasquatch.
No, we're not gonna be able to get you out of there.
Really? I got in there.
Well, that's part of the trap.
I'm stuck. Oh, the door was on
That way!
Sasquatch, that way. Oh, it's okay. You guys, go on without me. I'll get out of the trap.
All right, let's go.
All right, go.
He's this way! She's gone! Wait, what's this? The blood?
It's blood.
Wait.
Taste it.
It's lots of blood.
No!
Guys, I think we can catch him. I found the derivative of the integral of the velocity. Fast.
Oh, we can catch him. We need to catch him. We need to make it worth it for the members of our team to sacrifice their lives for us. Where's Phil?
Oh no.
Not another.
We should split up.
Yes!
Great
Let's
idea.
We'll cover more ground.
It'd be great. So when two of us left, we would just be all by ourselves, just walking around looking for Sasquatch.
We'll find him.
Okay.
Let's do it. Here, come here.
Yeah. Okay. See ya.
ground. There's a sign.
And if you'd like to view this video again, it is on YouTube.
Go viral. So, now you understand the intensity of searching for Sasquatch. Intensity of this.
Click outside the video.
Alright, so, history of Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, is that he is like the Tibetans. Oh, this is also referring to Sasquatch as if there's only one. So, Sasquatch is like the Tibetan Yeti. It's the Native American folklore of a wild and hairy man who, in some tales, he was very destructive and he killed a lot of people. In others, he was like everyone's best friend. So, the term Sasquatch is derived from this term Sasquatch, which for some cultures meant wild man. And so, J.W. Burns, who was a Canadian newspaper columnist, he took this term and he came up with the name and he started writing some columns about the extensive amount of research he had done on different legends. And the first documented set of footprints that was found of Sasquatch was by David Thompson in 1811, and later in 1958, a bulldozer driver in Humboldt County, California, he discovered some footprints and made a cast of them, which sprung a lot of discussion about the topic of Sasquatch. And Sasquatch was officially captured on film in 1967 by Patterson and Gimlin, who are two, just like us, they're Sasquatch enthusiasts. And this is still a controversial topic because, as you can see, it's definitely grainy footage, so many people have been trying to disprove this theory.
And the original video was a lot more, shaky. So somebody took it frame by frame and made it so that you can watch it. So then, to find some of the mathematical equations that we come up with, we did a lot of research and found that this guy, John Wilson Green, not to be confused with the famous author, John Green, began his research in the 1950s, and he came up with a lot of the evidence that we use to back up our equations. Along with his research, we used thousands of other reports, and then also most of it was based on general formulas for other related species, like apes. So characteristics of Bigfoot. Bigfoot is believed to weigh between 280 pounds and 2,030 pounds. So there's not really any. But the average weight is 658 pounds. And then the average height of Sasquatch is 7 feet 10 inches. The foot width is 7.2 inches. Foot length is 15.6 inches. Chest width is 65 inches, and its palm size, so that's like from here to here, not including the fingers, is 7 inches. And then the color, most Sasquatches are darker in color, but there have been sightings of blonde or white Sasquatches and some gray ones as well.
So some comparisons to kind of put the size of Sasquatch in perspective is the average human foot area is 25 inches and the average Sasquatch foot area is 65 inches squared. And the average human weight, like they're the more much to us because that would be way larger, would be 150 pounds, and the average Sasquatch weight, as she said, is 658 pounds. And this is just a picture of the comparison of Sasquatch and a large human footprint. And then we can use that information to find the pressure that is exerted. So on the other side, I said those, but pressure is just the force over the area. So the average Sasquatch pressure with 658 divided by the area that was on the previous slide, which is 65, would be 10.123 pounds per inch squared, and under pressure would be 6 pounds per inch square. So it's a lot. More pressure is exerted from Sasquatch then.
So something we wanted to figure out to be able to catch up with Bigfoot was how fast could it travel. So we found 2 sightings that were within the same time period, March 3rd, 2013 and March 12th, 2013. And the March 3rd sighting was in Itasca County, Minnesota, and the other one was in British Columbia, Canada, by Campbell River. And so we found the distance to be about 1,873 miles. And the time period between the 3rd and the 12th is 209 hours. So assuming that there is only one Bigfoot, and he travels constantly without rest, his average velocity of distance divided by time would be 8.962 miles per hour.
Okay, and then we wanted to check to make sure that our work was accurate, so we found a second example. There was a sighting on December 4th, 2013 at 3 a.m. in Alabama. And then there was another sighting on December 6th, 2013 at 3 a.m. as well in Brantford, Florida. So between those 2 times is 48 hours, and between the points is 450 miles. So assuming that there's only one Bigfoot and he's traveling constantly, his average velocity would be 9.375 miles per hour. So the average of both travel times travel velocity is 9.1685 miles per hour. So they were really close.
And then to begin calculating some other formulas, we needed to find the mass. We see that his average weight is 650 pounds, and that 1 pound is equal to 4.448 pounds. So using this ratio, we were able to see that an average Sasquatch's mass would be 298 2/3 kilograms.
So then we wanted to figure out how powerful this guy is. So by using the power equation, mass times acceleration times the distance divided by the time, we plugged it all into the equation and got 11,725.9946.
Is that a video of?
It's a bear fighting Sasquatch.
Like, really?
You did get this off the internet, right?
It was off the internet.
Some incredible Sasquatch.
So then, for conclusion, we talked about the history of Sasquatch, the size estimates, the speed and velocity of Sasquatch, the mass and power. And then this picture is a picture of Sasquatch drawn, but it was a compilation of 100 reports, like eyewitness reports, and then they drew it based on all